everybody. Well, we've got some severe weather in northern Wisconsin. We just finished the 6 o'clock news. And now I'm going to share this little live shot on my Facebook page to the station page. So bear with me real quick as we try to reach more viewers. That's the whole point, right? Trying to warn as many people as possible. So let me say share to a page, and then we will go to KBJR and call that good. All right, well, let's get to it. Now, the Weather Service has issued a thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock. We've had 70-mile-an-hour winds associated with this system. This is Ashland County, Iron County, the northern section, central, and then northern sections of Iron County. Here's a close-up view. Mellon, we've had reports of pretty sizable hail. What was the hail size, Austin?
There was a report in Highbridge, just north of Mellon, of ping-pong ball size hail.
You hear from Austin. My intern, Austin, he's been doing a great job. Ping-pong ball size hail. That's sizable. And that is continuing up to the north and east. Here's the system as we speak. It's just moved out of Mellon, but we've got another one that's on the way. This is going to move up to the north and east as well. It's about 50 miles per hour is what we're dealing with. I want to make sure I'm still talking with the National Weather Service, and we've had reports of a lot of rain with these systems as well, 2+ inches with them. Now here's another look at everything with a pinpoint Doppler. We've got throughout Ashland County there, north and south of Mellon, and then a cell in Iron County, just west of Ironwood, moving up to the north and east. So here are the warnings until 7 o'clock, severe thunderstorm warning. And of course there's a flash flood watch with this as well. And that lasts until Thursday at 1 o'clock for Ashland, Iron, Gogebic, and also Sawyer counties. So watch out for flooding. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask, type them up, and I'll try to answer them. And even after this is not live, I'll try to answer them as the evening progresses. So, yeah, any questions yet?
Somebody just commented saying they heard that there was a tornado just hit Bloomer, Wisconsin.
Yeah, just down to the south, we've had a report of a tornado and even a fatality in Barron County. It hit a mobile home park. We're going to get video, hopefully helicopter video, of that damage coming up at 10 o'clock. So we're working on that. It's a really dangerous system down to our south, but it's outside of our viewing area. So I'm kind of focusing in on what we are dealing with in our potential, in our area. So you can see right here, zoom in, come over here, Austin, and what I'm going to do is kind of show you just how strong these storms are and just how high the tops are, and it kind of helps us see. We've got 50,000 feet. The one just south and west of Mellon is about 50,000 feet. And also the one in Iron County, about 40,000 feet, at least in the core of the storm. The one that's south and east of Ashland, 50,000 feet. So it's continuing to be extremely strong as well. Now we've also got some showers and storms just moving over Lake Nebagamon. No warning out on any of those yet. We've got a tornado warning actually in Price County, which is outside of our viewing area, but that has been issued for a tornado that has been observed with 2.5-inch hail. So speaking of hail, here's some of the reports that we've had thus far. Let's see what we've seen. I think this one's the ping pong ball size hail that Austin was talking about at 1.5 inches, and also Namakagon around 0.3, just west of Round Lake. We had dime size hail and up to ping pong ball size hail associated with that storm system there. And we've also got a line of showers and storms moving up the North Shore. No warning out on this, just some heavy rain, some frequent lightning associated with that. Over towards Silver Bay, we've got that activity there. Here's that in motion as it continues over to the east over Highway 61. So Highway 61 is going to be rather strong here soon. And you can see we've got, of course, our weather app. You can download that and get warnings all the time. So here's another look at the watches and warnings. And what I'm going to do is kind of zoom in to that warning in southern sections of Price County. Again, this is outside of our viewing area. And it's a tornado that's been observed on the ground. But our warning, our region, we still have this warning around Mellon, Saxon, just west of Ironwood, and that's continuing because of these cells. The stronger of the two is the one just south of Mellon, right here. That's continuing up to the north and east. A lot of heavy rain and high winds associated with it, 70-mile-an-hour winds, and we've had ping pong ball size hail associated with it. Now let's take a look at that system down to the south in Price County. My goodness, it is a doozy, and it's continuing eastward. And let's take a look at what we've got for velocity. I'm going to see if I can figure that out. Here it is, velocity. So what we're looking at is the greens and the reds, the couplet right there, showing the air mass or what's happening in the storm going in and outside the storm. So we've got turning of the winds as this system that has had a tornado on the ground. Outside of our viewing area, this is Price County here, and Sawyer County is up here, so it's moving east. It has been moving east at about 50 to 55 miles per hour, but we'll get more details on that warning in case you have family or something in that region. So let's take a look. Tornado producing a storm near Jump River, 17 miles east of Ladysmith, moving east at 40 miles per hour. So that has slowed down a little bit. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes and damage in Russ County over the past hour, and Barron County as well. A tornado ripped through a mobile home park. And flying debris will be dangerous with this system. So if you know folks in that region of southern Price County, please let them know what's coming because it's moving east about 40 miles per hour. Let's see, I've heard another little beep.
There was a severe thunderstorm warning that was issued for Douglas and Bayfield counties just a few minutes ago.
Yeah. And a warning?
Just recently, within the last couple minutes.
Okay. Well, we'll take a look at that in a second. It says a line of strong thunderstorms will affect northwestern Bayfield and northeastern Douglas County. No warning out on those I just showed you. We'll try to zoom in on that. There's the new warning until 7:30 for areas of Bayfield County. And what we'll do is we'll zoom in on that. We'll take a look, see down south here, and we will erase that. So there you go. There's the next system there. Looks like it's pretty strong in that we've got around Minong. We'll draw this up and see what it yields. It has about 50,000 feet tall here. I mean, it's going up to 60,000 around Minong. And I'll get that warning up here. Tornado, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued and located near Minong, 17 miles north of Spooner, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. $50 size hail associated with this storm, so it's got a sizable hail core. Let's see that real quick. We'll kind of zoom in and see what our Doppler shows us, and it has it just west of Minong at around almost an inch. So that's pretty big, and it's continuing over to the east. So Minong, about to see another big system make its way through. Now we've got these lines of storms that I was talking about earlier. No warning out on any of this, but high winds around 45 miles per hour associated with that. Also around Superior, getting a little shower and storm up in Superior, but Duluth not much at all. And we've had several reports of hail across the region, and then up the North Shore, we've got showers and storms up that way. No watches or warnings out on that, and that continues up to the north and east. So there you go. Any questions thus far?
There's a few comments. Jessica Loons asked, is the storm heading towards the Wausau area?
Wausau, yeah, let's take a look. We've got Wausau, there's Rhinelander. Wausau is just down to the south. So this storm is continuing east. So this is the tornadic storm right here, and it's continuing east as we speak. Wausau's down here, so not particularly this storm. We're really thinking it's going to just trek eastward on, looks like Highway 8. So there you go.
Also, an Amber Stevens says, when do you expect temperatures in the upper 60s and lower 70s again?
Monday, Tuesday looks a lot better next week. We lose the east wind here in Duluth.
Daniel M. Hansen said south of Winter and Ladysmith area got a lot of rain.
Yeah.
With that storm up in northern Douglas County, Paige, hopefully I'm not going to botch this, Rachio says cars have pulled over in Poplar. It's raining too hard for drivers to see.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that's a good thing to do. If you can't see, pull over. Yep.
Quiet conditions in Ashland. David
It's looking pretty good right now, but actually you should see some more thunder that continues over to the east. There's no warning on that's continuing over to the east throughout the evening hours tonight. But the warnings all down to the south. Look at that. There's a hail for there in Washburn County. Let's see if we can. Oh, almanac. Why is it going to the almanac?
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. Back up here. Go ahead.
Let's see what else we got here. Somebody named Joe Wood just said it just started to rain in Hurley. David Piat, dark clouds and thunder in Odana, Wisconsin, just east of Ashland. Jill Elmore Schultz says, "Hi Adam, I'm looking for storms for my jacuzzi. Just outside of Iron River."
No! Get out of the water! No. There's lightning associated with this. You don't want to be in water. Here, I'm going to turn on the lightning right now so you can see it.
Oh, Rhonda M. Motovin just said hail is hitting Maple right now.
She's in Iron River, and look at all that lightning. Yeah, get out of the pool. There's lightning. No. Oh, no. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, that took me aback.
That's all right.
Hail where?
In Maple.
Maple, okay, gotcha. Yeah, look at all this lightning. We're the only station that has the lightning feature to show you that. So if you hear lightning, head indoors and don't be in water. Yeah.
She says, "Okay, I'm getting out."
Good. My gosh. Whew. Please get out. All right. Yeah, we've got the storms moving over to the east. A lot of lightning associated with it. Hail associated with it. I want to look at that. What is that? I see my thing beeps every time there's something tornadic to talk about. The weather has continued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bayfield, Douglas, Sawyer, and Washburn counties. So that until 7:30, and it's for this system here. Let's see if I can turn on the watches and the warnings so we can see where that is. So it includes Minot. It's just south of Gordon, Barnes, north of Hayward. Zoom in further. Wascott. Spent some good time there. The RV place there. And yeah, so really strong system, ping pong ball size hail associated with it. Let's actually get the new data on that storm.
Rayanne Branch says, "I'm in Ironwood. Will this affect us?"
Well, I will zoom in just a second. 60-mile-an-hour winds and $half size hail with that warning in Minot, continuing up to the north and east. Ironwood, it looks like the system will be just up to the north. So if you live on the north side of town, you could see more activity than folks in the south part of Ironwood. So watch out for that. We'll turn on the good old radar and see. So Ironwood, you guys have it just over to the west. It's still in Iron County. It's not even in Gogebic County yet. And I will turn on the loop so you can kind of see how fast it's going and where it's going. So it's looking like it's really skirting the region. So Kimball getting in on the thunder and lightning right now. And that's also under a warning. But the Ironwood, you are outside of the warning.
And then Christina Hudson said, "So far just thunder with black clouds moving into Solon Springs."
Yeah, send us pictures. We love pictures. Post them on my Facebook, right here on this Facebook page. See, I'm on Facebook now. I'm not in your TV. And we have to go vertical because that's the way my phone is. So apologies for that. And, you know, it's weird to watch on a desktop. But if you're watching on a phone, it probably looks pretty good. I don't know. Hopefully it's not buffering. We try to log into Wi-Fi. Any other questions?
Daniel M. Hansen again from Winter said he sees sunlight and clearing west of Winter.
Oh, okay.
And then John Jokinen just commented, calm and warm conditions now, but hybrid had 1 inch hail.
Hybrid, 1 inch. Wow. There's Winter. So he's seeing sunlight?
That's what he said.
Huh. Because there's a storm just over to the west and north of Winter. There's a little bit of a break. And that tells me something, too. If there's actually sunlight feeding these storms, let's take a look at the temperature. If the temperature is still up there, then that means we're going to see more activity because there's energy, enough energy. So it's still 68 degrees in Hayward. Yeah, there's still a lot of energy in the atmosphere. 73 in Ironwood and 71 in Watersmeet. So, and it's partly cloudy there. So you're not out of the woods in the Upper Peninsula. We could still have some activity as this cold front makes its way through. You've got enough energy to kick off some storms. So there you go. That's pretty cool. Good. See, that's why I like these things. They really, you ask questions, it gets me thinking, and you start looking at things, and there you go.
All right. Let's see. Kyle Gervais said, "How is the forecast looking for Gurnee, Wisconsin?" So just south
Gurnee?
of Highway 2.
Yeah, Gurnee. A lot of storms tonight. It looks like you'll see some storms as well in Gurnee. Yeah.
And then April Corpella says, "What about Mellon?"
Okay, the tornado warning to the south in Rusk, Wisconsin, has been expired. I'm looking at the cities now. Hold on. All right. Sorry. What was Gurnee, or what was the question?
Sorry. Kyle Gervais was wondering how the forecast was looking in Gurnee.
Mm-hmm. And then we had a Mellon.
Yep. April Corpella said, "What about Mellon?"
Mellon, on and off storms tonight. I mean, the energy is still there. The front's making its way through. We've got some warnings out. Let's take a look at those warnings. Actually, we got a lot of lightning as well. Just wanted to see up the North Shore. Yeah, some lightning up the North Shore even.
And then Julie Hines Swanson.
Here's something. The warning has been allowed to expire. We've expired the warning for northern Ashland and Iron County, or central Ashland and northern Iron County. We still have a warning over to the west of there in Douglas County on Minong and Cable. And let's take a look at that. We've got that until 7:30. So you guys around Minong up towards Cable have a warning. Any other questions?
Let's see. Julie Hines Swanson commented saying, "It's pouring in Maple, but the sun is shining."
Huh. Got a rainbow?
She didn't say anything about that. Michaela Duarte said, "What's the weather like in Brule?"
Brule. We've got thunderstorms moving through all of that's Sawyer County, right?
Brule is right on the Douglas-Bayfield County border.
Douglas-Bayfield. Okay, gotcha. Yep. Let's zoom in. Yep, we've got a line of storms making its way through. There's no warning on that. It's the same one that made its way through Iron River. And so if you hear the thunder, lightning, head indoors. Stay away from it. It can actually hit 14 miles away.
And then Jill Elmore Schultz commented again saying she has a friend that lives in Cameron that does not have electricity, and she wants to know if there's more storms coming her way.
Cameron?
Yep. Down where it's south of Rice Lake. It's right where right where the tornado dropped earlier. It was near there.
Oh, okay. Right now, there's nothing behind this system. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good in this area. You can see just here's Rice Lake. And there's nothing really coming that way. And the atmosphere will stabilize throughout the night, but we still have this cold front making its way through. That'll give us some, kick off some more thunderstorms.
All right. Also, Andrea Lynn wants to know the location of that tornado that was near Ladysmith.
Okay, well, let's zoom in here and then hit now. and see if we've got a storm report. Local storm report. There we go. All right. Here are the reports. Let's query them. Just south of Chetek. Well, it's not giving me. Let me see here if I can. Well, it's just a tornado on Highway 8. It's not allowing me to actually click on it for some reason. So let me just off air. It's telling me things off air.
Uh-oh.
Structural damage for the one just north of Chetek and south of Almenia, north of Prairie Farm. It was just a trained spotter that saw the funnel cloud. That's a funnel cloud. And these are actual tornadoes. Funnel cloud, tornado. So probably another funnel cloud down here, but the actual tornado just up to the north. And we'll probably see more of these as the night progresses and the reports come in. And this is from an emergency manager, the one in Rusk there, just all over the county line. That's an actual tornado on the ground. All right. So let's zoom out and see if there's any others.
Yeah, she was just wondering like if where the location of the storm was that was producing the tornadoes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, now she knows. Just south of Rice Lake along Highway 8 and also Highway 53, just south of Rice Lake and Chetek.
All right. She also Andrea Lynn also said, so I'm guessing they're not going towards Tomahawk, which is along Highway 8 or just south of Highway 8 or east of Price County.
Okay. It's already in Price County, so everything is moving eastward. Here it is right here.
Oh.
So it's down south here.
It's near
Worcester, Hawkins,
Canaan. So it looks like Ojima might be along that way. Carl Langowski says, Adam, I want to go fishing on Lake Vermilion tomorrow. Is that a bad idea?
Lake Vermilion? Yeah. I mean, it's not going to be great. I mean, the further north you go, the better it's going to be as far as severe weather. There's still going to be a good chance of rain, high winds, but the really wet stuff is pretty much south of Lake Vermilion and the Iron Range. The Iron Range is looking wet down to the south, wet. International Falls has the best weather tomorrow because it'll just be cloudy. But you're kind of on the cutoff. You'll still get the rain, it looks like, according to most of the models. So, yeah. Well, there's the tornado, if it's in fact on the ground. Zooming in here. That's the velocity here. We are in Price County here, southern Price County.
So it's looking like it's heading towards Tomahawk. If it's moving east along Highway 8.
No, I think it'll show Tomahawk.
You got to zoom out.
Okay.
And just go a little bit east.
Well, it's over here.
Other direction. You got to go towards Green Bay.
I'm so sorry.
And a little bit more to the east.
There it is. So, alright, now that I know where it is, let's put on a track. And it was moving 40 miles per hour?
It's like 40 to 50 miles an hour.
755 and Tomahawk. Let's make sure the speed is correct. I got it at 50 miles per hour. Let's see, let's go to Minneapolis. It looks like they've expired the warning though. I want to look at that. But
I think it said it was supposed to expire around 7:15 Central Time.
Watch. It's expired, yeah. So that's good news. There's still a lot of turning of the winds, I'll tell you that. So let's look at the watch and warning map. Yeah, it's still got it there.
It looks like a severe thunderstorm warning now for the Tomahawk and Rib Lake areas.
Yeah, it's under a thunderstorm warning now, but the storm system is moving east. So, we just saw that rotation, and there's a lot of rotation associated with it. So that's a pretty strong system.
Also,
I would tell those folks to watch out. So if that answers your question.
And then I just have a friend of mine that just sent me a picture from Solon Springs of some of the dark clouds moving into the area.
Ooh, cool. I wonder if we could show a picture within that. How does that look?
Yeah, it looks all right if you can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm going to wrap things up. You can continue to ask questions, and I'll monitor and try to answer them as the evening progresses. And hold on, hand the phone to me. I want to give you some credit here. There's Austin. Say hey to Austin. Thank you so much, Austin. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Yep. There's my intern from Northland College.
Be sure to stay safe out there, everyone, tonight. Make sure you give Adam those storm reports.
Yep. All right. Thanks.